Today I'm going to show you how to monetize Instagram, so let's get into it. To get started, what you have to do is you have to open your Instagram app. Here I'm going to use my Chrome browser to log into my Instagram account. Now once you have logged into your Instagram account, here you have to search for the creators page of the Instagram. Now from the given list you have to click on the fourth page at this list. Once you click on this page, now you have to follow this page. Just like Facebook, now Instagram is also going to pay you for your content. But to get paid by Instagram, you have to follow their guidelines, and here you have to search for the post monetization rules or guides. Then you have to click on the content monetization policies post. Here you will see the policies of the Instagram. They made to enable your content for monetization. You have to read all these monetization policies and follow them. These policies are updated by Instagram itself, so you have to strictly follow these. Without it, you will not be able to get paid or get monetized by Instagram. It's the latest update by the Instagram, and so it's still in the process. One more thing to remember that your profile should not be private or it should be public. Your private profiles will not be able to get monetized by Instagram, so you have to make them public. So that's how you can monetize Instagram.